नमस्कार प्यारे विद्यार्थियों, मैं हूं अरविंद सिंह पेमावत, हेड ऑफ करियर डेवलपमेंट एंड कॉर्पोरेट रिलेशंस गीतांजलि ग्रुप उदयपुर। जैसा कि आप सभी जानते हैं, वी ऑलवेज कम अप विद द वीडियो related to the career development, employability enhancement, and skill development. In the same series, today we have the expert. Already we have made video with him, our respected campus director, N.S. Rathod sir. So welcome sir. On our portal, on student demand, we have got some more queries from the student that sir, on that topic we want the video with sir so that we can learn many new things out of it. So basically today we will talk about what are the roadmap for engineering. Everyone knows whether we are doing of any stream in the field of engineering, we have to complete 4 years of engineering, that is a 4 year of curriculum, right? So what we need to do in this 4 year so that we can become a successful engineer, we can become a budding engineer in future. Whenever we are going out in the market, we can say with full of proud that we are the engineers. So what need to be done? There are many students, they have the confusions that what they have to do in first year, what they have to do in second year, third year as well as final year to improve their employability.
Yeah, actually I will answer this question in a different way. You are supposed to keep in mind that in order to become an engineer, every student should have some quality.
Yes.
And that quality will have a certain different type of attributes. So I will discuss one by one, and then you can easily find out if this particular attribute when they are supposed to start. Very important thing is that always you keep your domain area on the top of the course syllabus. This is my observation that a chemical engineer student, they are thinking we are poor in other branches as compared to computer science and engineering. Same thing is true with the electrical and mechanical engineers as well, whereas these are the core branches, but the student doing a mechanical engineering, he is thinking that he is having inferior status as compared to computer science in engineering. So very important thing is that from first year itself, they should keep their domain area on the top of the course syllabus.
In priority.
Right, in priority. Second thing is that he is supposed to have a core competency. Basically, it is there that boys lose their confidence. Self-confidence should be maintained from the first year itself. They should keep in mind that we are equally good as compared to the other promising branches of engineering, and accordingly they are supposed to work. So second is the core competency. In a core competency, they should know that what is the core syllabus as far as the knowledge is concerned, as far as the skill is concerned. They should gain a right type of ability and also share the experiences starting from first year itself. That is a second quality which a student should have. Third quality is that learning by project work. So here I would like to urge to all students, whether you are in first year, second year, third year of a BTech program, you are supposed to have some project work, and every institute is supposed to float in different type of project work. It may be of a simple in a first year level, but when they are coming into the second year and subsequently third year, it should be complex in nature, and a multidisciplinary approach is supposed to be taken in view, and accordingly the boys and girls should develop themselves to develop a new prototype out of their own exercise. So that type of learning should start from the first year itself. And nowadays in a present context, number of ideathon, hackathon are being arranged by a number of a leading institute and a private institute as well. So from first year itself, boys and girls should attend this type of a competition so that they will be aware that where they are standing. And third important thing is that they are supposed to have a good command as far as the soft skill is concerned. Here I would like to urge to all first year students, soft skill is required for engineering is a different. They are supposed to have critical thinking simultaneously. They should be always available for solving of their complex problem. Somewhere it is a missing, and that's why the boys and girls after getting their degree, these people are having a dilemma what to do and what not to do. That's why they are supposed to have a different type of soft skill, and thereby they should have a critical thinking on all sphere of their life. Whatever may be the domain area is suggesting, they should have. And next quality is there which is applicable to all branches of engineering, that is a digital learning. Digital technology learning, correct. And here basically you are supposed to see that artificial intelligence is playing an important role. Whether you are mechanical engineering or student or electrical engineering student, you should create a right type of awareness that what are the different digital technology can be incorporated in order to make their system simple, convenient and efficient, and accordingly each student should get a right expertise in AI. So AI ready program should be launched by the college institute from first year itself, and at initial inception in first year it should be of a general learning of different computer application, and subsequently in second year how to go for coding and how to go for a algorithm designing, and then subsequently in a third year exactly machine learning concept, and even if you can have that type of expertise you can go and jump towards a deep learning process. So systematically from first year itself up to final year stage you are supposed to have AI ready program. They should have a bearing as far as the internship is concerned.
Right.
And this internship means from first year, of course every institute is maintaining an internship at their own level, but in when you are having a internship period and duration in a second year and third year, after doing second year or after doing third year, then you are supposed to identify the right internship place and you should go there, because this type of exposure will boost up a different type of confidence. It is not only meant for a knowledge updation, but it will bridge the gap between your theoretical and practical exercise. So that type of internship exposure is required in even after first year, second year and third year. Of course after fourth year everybody is concerned for their placement, so that's why you are supposed to have a right type of networking as well. So at the end of a third year, or when you are in the fourth year, you are supposed to have contact outside of your institute. A networking with a professional is required. That is a important thing. And even in the fourth year you are supposed to have what are the frontier area of your domain area and what are the emerging area of your domain area, and accordingly you are supposed to prepare. It is a responsibility of all institute and faculty member, including head of the department, even to the director. They are supposed to arrange a different type of a training program on a frontier area. That is also important requirement. And here I would like to urge to my all students doing engineering that they should be always be adaptable. Means there are a lot of changes are being taking place, whether it is a core branch or frontier area of engineering like computer science, artificial intelligence and cyber security, where everywhere there are a lot of changes are taking place. So every student should be in the position to have a adaptable. And important thing is that you should have this 4 year is a different type of your exposure, different type of experience. So you should keep this thing in mind, that this 4 year exposure will give you a lifelong your understanding about the subject matter. So don't miss any single day, and every day you are supposed to gain something extra. And that's why systematically as I mentioned, AI ready program, systematically a student ready program should be launched, and similarly a industries ready program should be launched. And boys and girls are supposed to keep in mind that apart from the structure education, whatever there may be there in the course syllabus wise, apart from that they are supposed to be involved in a different type of training on frontier area and different type of a project work as well, because learning by project work is an important requirement for engineers. So in case if boys and girls will maintain all these 10 quality, I am sure they will become a perfect engineer.
Very nice, sir. Whatever input sir has given, it is definitely a learning for all of us, and it will be the learning for all the students who are doing engineering. In nutshell, if you talk about, we have to work on our domain specific knowledge, we have to keep our domain knowledge on priority, we have to work on our project, we have to work on our internship, we have to work on our soft skill, we have to work on our training programs, whatever is being organized at an institute level, and then we have to work on our contact outside at the institute. If these focus areas will be there, we can easily achieve what really want to achieve. And this roadmap definitely, sir, it is going to help all the students with the same word. Dhanyavad, Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.